Damn. I lacked. Work from home today, and I did not start recording until right now at about 1:22 p.m. If it's a short video, you know why, boy. Stop playing. On lunch, so I'm about to make some food. I don't even know what I'm about to make though, so let's figure it out. Alright, so what y'all think I made to eat? I ain't made nothing special, I ain't gonna lie. Just a little taquito with some salsa, nothing crazy. Yup. We still thugging, man. We still thugging. Probably go for a drive a little bit later. But as of right now, we vibing out. Vibing out. You see it? You see it? I'll catch y'all later. Oh, just clocked out. You see it though, Spider-Man running. Well, I probably had this for like a cool 2-3 months. I still ain't beat it. But I ain't want to beat it all quick and ruin it, you feel me? So I just finished eating. I got Whopper Grill, nothing too crazy. It was fire though. I usually get the chicken bowl, but now we about to slide over to the gas station. We in the spaceship. We in the spaceship, yes sir. So we about to go get some gas right now. You know, my favorite gas station. We all know what that place is. So I'm about to head that way. Shit was so embarrassing last night. I left my phone at the crib because it was literally at like 2%. I was going to recycle the oil, so I left my phone at the crib because I had no battery, 2%. I'm gonna just get gas too after I recycle the oil. Bro, I'm sitting there driving to AutoZone and I'm thinking about it. I'm like, fuck, I don't remember the street of the gas station. So bro, I didn't even get gas last night, so it's all good. The AMS oil got the V feeling different. Like, it feels a lot smoother, bro. Been thinking about getting a new exhaust. I'm getting bored. Or maybe just get the a mid-pipe. A mid-pipe, or I'm probably just gonna get a resonator. Like, redefine the sound, if that makes sense. But alright, y'all. So we just left the gas station. I didn't want to bore y'all with filling up again. I feel like I showed y'all that like 5 too many times. But we about to head back to the crib right now. And yeah, to call it a day after that. It's already like 8. Get ready for bed. I'm tired. I'm an old man. I be feeling like an old man, damn. But yeah, I'll catch y'all right now. Nah, that's crazy. Does that say 500 miles? Ain't no way that joint say 500 miles. Nah, it's tweaking. It's tweaking. Yeah, back to what I was saying about like wanting a new exhaust. The only reason I want a new exhaust is because like, I don't know, I seen this AWE touring and that joint looks so fire. But it's like 1,300, damn near as much as the MPE. So I feel like I might be able to sell this joint and then get that, you feel me? But I don't know, I'm still thinking about it. I might just get the mid-pipe. Get the mid-pipe and then, yeah. See, there we go. 320 miles, that's right. 500 was crazy. I think I had it on the trip counter. I'm getting bored of my exhaust, so I've been thinking about different options. I don't know yet, though. I might just get a resonator and call it a day, because I'm not really trying to drop another bag on my exhaust when I already got it done. Hope everybody's holiday's been treating them well. Swell. You know, you've been spending it with your family. You got all your gifts, got everything you need, you know what I'm saying? Blessings all around.